Okay, so we are adding and subtracting unlike denominators. So the first part says to find an equivalent fraction to the following fractions. So for A, if I write the fraction 2/5, I'm going to set it equal to another fraction that is equivalent. So I can choose any number. So I'm going to start with 4. I'm going to start with 2. So what that means is if I take the numerator and multiply it by 2, and then I also take the denominator and multiply it by 2 as well, then I will have an equivalent fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. So 4/10 is equivalent to 2/5. This means that they have the exact same value. They're the exact same value. For the next couple of slides, you're going to write your own equivalent fractions. I could have written another equivalent fraction, but instead of multiplying by 2, I could have multiplied by 10. As long as I multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, then I will write an equivalent fraction. So 2 times 10 is 20. 5 times 10 is 50. So 2/5 has the exact same value as 20/50.